Welcome back to my channel, where I review the latest digital products and tools to help you enhance your online presence. Today, we're talking about the top 3 SEO tools for beginners that can help you improve your website's search engine rankings and drive more traffic to your site. First up is Google Search Console, a free tool that provides valuable insights into your website's performance on Google search results. With Search Console, you can monitor your site's search traffic and identify any technical issues that may be affecting your site's visibility. Best features of Google Search Console: improve your performance on Google Search. Optimize your content with Search Analytics. Get your content on Google. Get alerted on issues and fix your site. Understand how Google Search sees your pages. Search Console Training. Optimize and enhance your site. And mobile usability and rich results. Pricing plan. Google Search Console is completely free to use. Next up is Keywords Everywhere, a browser add-on that provides accurate keyword metrics right where you need it. With this tool, you can quickly and easily perform keyword research on the go, without the need to switch between multiple platforms. Best features of Keywords Everywhere: accurate metrics right where you need it. Browser add-on for keyword research. Search volume, cost per click, and competition data. Trend data from 2004. People also search for and related keywords. Historical search volume data from 2004. Page and website level traffic metrics and keywords. Access to keyword metrics for any list of keywords. Download lists in Excel, CSV, or PDF file formats. Pricing plan. Keywords Everywhere operates on a credits-based system. 1 credit equals 1 keyword, and credits expire after 1 year. Here are the pricing plans: $10 for 100,000 credits. $50 for 500,000 credits, $100 for 1 million credits, $200 for 2 million credits, $500 for 5 million credits, $1,000 for 10 million credits. Lastly, we have the Screaming Frog SEO Spider, a website crawler that helps you identify common SEO issues that may be affecting your website's search engine rankings. With this tool, you can perform comprehensive site audits and get detailed insights into your website structure, content, and links. Best features of Screaming Frog SEO Spider: website crawler for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Trusted by thousands of SEO and agencies worldwide. Identify common SEO issues. Comprehensive site audits. Detailed insights into your website structure, content, and links. Pricing plan. Screaming Frog SEO Spider offers a free version with limited features, as well as a paid version with more advanced features. The pricing plans for the paid version are as follows: $259 per year. So there you have it, the top 3 SEO tools for beginners. Google Search Console, Keywords Everywhere, and Screaming Frog SEO Spider can help you optimize your website for search engines, monitor your performance, and identify any technical issues that may be affecting your visibility. Which of these tools have you tried before? And which one would you recommend for beginners? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like and share button if you found this information helpful. Remember, these tools are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to SEO. So keep learning and experimenting to find what works best for your website. Thank you for reading.